Today, Ollie and Kit are heading out for another walk. Where will it take them this time?
Kit, do you smell that? Salty air! A surprise is waiting for us!
Yay! Let's run and see!
Cre, cre, cre!
Have you guessed who it is?
It's a seagull!
Look, it's diving!
Got it! What perfect aim!
Now it has a fish in its beak.
Now it won't be hungry again for a while. Shh! Do you hear that? Click, click, click.
Over there, on the rock, something's moving.
What's it upset about?
Let's go see. Look, Ollie, it has claws. It's coming down to us.
Kids, have you guessed who it is?
Ta-da! It's a crab.
What armor! Just like a real knight in a shell!
Haha! Crabs can only walk sideways. How funny.
Well, Crab, had a nice walk. Time to head back?
Look, it's turning around and scurrying back.
There it goes, back to its favorite rock.
Oh, I get it. It was running from the noisy seagulls.
Now they've flown away. Time to... Shh, Kit, look, something sparkling by the water.
It has 5 points, and it's moving.
Have you guessed who it is?
Ta-da! It's a starfish.
A real star, just one that lives in the sea.
Haha! It just crawls along the bottom.
Seagull. Crab. Starfish.
What a wonderful day we've had by the sea. And where Ollie and Kit will go next is still a secret.